First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Press Apply this fix. Close the troubleshooter and restart. If that didn't, first open your settings. Open Update and Security. Open Recovery. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder and go to C. Open the Windows folder. Locate the Software Distribution folder. Delete the folder. Now restart. If that didn't, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wow serve and then press Enter. Type netstop crypt svc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/software distribution.old and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 and then press Enter. Type net start wowserve and then press Enter. Type net start bits and then press Enter. Type net start crypt svc and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download Tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed.